lecture I'm going to discuss about how to achieve like operator functionality in MongoDB. So this is the query. Select a start from EMP and there I'm using like operator here. So when I run this query, so there you can get here in a job. Here you can see HR clerk. This all is there. Okay. So this all record you can see this places, but when here I'm using like operator, when that found only clerk, then that's return the record. So only clerk data that's returning there. Okay, so this functionality we can also get in MongoDB. So there we need to use here this query. Okay, so first let's here use so DBs. So this DBs database that's present now. Thereafter going to use this place escort. So now database switch to escort. Now let's use here so collections. So collection, when I press enter, so there are TPT and EMP is there. So now here I'm using this place, this query. Let's copy and paste there. So there you can see DB get collection EMP table that's using find, and here job. Now job, thereafter inside specifying the condition clerk. So wherever that found the clerk, that returned the record. So when I press enter, so now you can see this places only clerk data is now returning there. So job is now clerk, job clerk, job clerk, and if I scroll down, only clerk data that's present there. So this place here in SQL we can write a query like this: select a star from EMP where job is now clerk, and in MongoDB we can use DB collection, and there you need to specify here find in place of where you need to use here find function. Then inside there you need to write here the column name, and after that you need to give the condition. Now this is the one example. Let's see another example. So this here or there I'm going to display with the like operator. I'm going to search here last name M. So in table or wherever that found last name M, that's display. So here you can see Sam has the last name. So now if I run this query, select a start from, here you can see Sam. There is only M letter you can see on this Sam is there. So here when I run this query, so last here mod, then M is the last. So last ename is the M that Sam is displaying. So we can achieve the same functionality in MongoDB also. So this place here you need to copy this one, and now let's use here CLS, paste this one. So here you can see Sam M is now same output it's returning. Okay, so DB get collection name, then here you need to give the table name, then find function here enm, then you can see or there I'm using mod operator, and here after that M, and you can in SQL you need to use here mod operator, then after give the letter, then in MongoDB you need to give the a star. Okay, so after that you can get here this output, the same output it's displaying there. Okay, so in MongoDB we are using find, then after this place you need to give here ename. There is no any like operator there. Inside find you need to give the column name, and after that specify the condition, then you can get the output. Okay, so this is the way we can here achieve like operator functionality in MongoDB. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See next video. Thank you.